going to leave me? Hi y'all, Grand Rising. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Harley and welcome back to the House of Love. So people, a good while see me with prize. I tell you with prize. So we're here with prize day. See her there? Yeah people, me I got tire out. And oh, today is Wednesday by the way. Today is Wednesday. I did not vlog yesterday, which was Tuesday. I never vlog. I did have two video already. I did have Sunday vlog for edit. And I did have Monday vlog for edit people. And I didn't really want to upload them because maybe not have issues as me tell you now with uploading because of data me use. So I did want to edit them and upload them so you could get them for watch people. So make sure you go watch them Sunday and Monday vlog. The Sunday vlog is up already. The Monday one is being uploaded. Yeah, every time I upload my videos it take one longer time than when me premiere it or set it for upload people, but it's okay though. Me just want to know so them upload and wanna watch them and wanna full dry them. But people, this is me go tell you out price as me say, and then me go come back and start wash out some clothes with Mateo. Yes, today is laundry day for Mateo, so me go wash out Mateo clothes them people. And what else me gonna do today? Me I go cook, but me not sure when me I go cook people. Honestly, me not sure when me I go cook. But as long as me I cook, you know me I go vlog and show you when me I do people. So that are that. So yeah, see Mateo start first, guys. See him there, he start first. He stand up and watch me and make me intro. But people, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you are new here and you like the vibes and you like the energy that I'm bringing to YouTube, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss an update when I upload a new video. Yeah, let's start our Wednesday. Well, my Wednesday start already because me clean up the house already, wash up plate, do everything because I don't know. Me have to get up early to send off Aguirre to school. So yeah, make we go try out prize, guys. You telling prize hi? Me I make she eat some grass and then we walk go up there so and go look for grandma. You want go grandma? Yeah, me I make you look for grandma. But people, this is prize. I make she eat some grass right here, so. And then we'll go walk over this. So beautiful. Like showing them my view, me just don't want video people house. Cause me don't want nobody say me a video them house, but me like showing them my view. Yeah, me can see way in the hills. So nice. So nice. The sky is blue and pretty today, guys. Yeah. So nice. So nice. People me there clean up my ears and I don't watch why me have this in my mouth. Shut up. Come baby, come. Take time. Here, I had to give him a bottle. Mind you, Mateo almost two, people. I'm still after feed Mateo, and I put him to bed. Literally. So, me did start wash, because me I wash the white clothes them first, then wash the colored ones, then the blacks, and me have to stop people. So, me I make him doze off properly, and then me put him down. Hopefully he don't get up, because me really need to wash out them here before 1 o'clock, because it's 10 o'clock now. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. See me finish wash Mateo clothes them. Yeah, these are his pants and shorts, and a towel is in there as well. And these are his shirts, jackets, pinanda, and them little stuff there. You understand? Him have more shirt than shorts, because I mostly pampers and shirts him walk up and down in every day. So yeah. Him shirts always more than him pants. But yeah, these are all that I washed. So much clothes Mateo wear. Although these are 2 weeks worth of clothes. Because the rain did a fall, people may never get for wash. And me there pin some clothes pin for my clothes. Because I can't bother to bend down and take up every minute. So yeah, that we're gonna do, people. We're gonna pin out some clothes. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, me never remember for video and show no me drinking my soursop juice. But me there I drink some soursop juice and I rest off, people. And then me go all fresh and cook. Yeah, people, it tastes so good, and I didn't add anything to it, like no lime, no sugar, no milk, nothing, just the bare sauce up. Alright guys, so remember me telling you say there's something where like it will lose the glue that is on the back of it. That's supposed to let it stick on the wall, like the heat and make it wear off. So me no want to tear down the complete thing until me buy one. Me go try go out in the town tomorrow and get one. Yeah, like a prettier one. But for now, for today, me don't really like oil look. So me I go cut off all five people. Me I go cut off both from here so to this. So just yeah. Them part where I stick can stay until tomorrow or so. Until me buy it. I'm not sure me I go tomorrow, but as long as I do, I will buy it. So we will cut off the extra people and make it look more appropriate or decent or whatever. 'Cause I don't like how it looks and hope it cut. I am going to do this, guys, and go bathe and come cook. You see it? The sticky tape is wearing off. No one tear it, cause you see, you don't want to tear it. I don't know how to. Even me, I can't cap it up. There's something behind it. Let's see. If we tear it, if I tear it, guys, it's going to chamba. Let me see. Come on. I tell them, so that's why knife ever cut me. When I don't judge it when I am done, because you know I do so neat. But me I do it. You see it? Yeah. People will just rhyme. Bop bop. And I mean this. You know, so perfect, but I am doing it. Guys. I am doing it. I'm going to buy a better piece. I wonder if they sell the knife picker, so it don't wear out so quick. Because this is like the third one I'm buying since I've lived in this house. Yeah, the third one. I know something will go last forever, but it kind of annoying to change it every minute. I don't know how much I cook often, people. Let me eat and mash up it, but see me get half piece there. I want the other half cut neither. I don't think so. I don't think so, my friend. But as we say, we're doing it. We started, so we have to finish it. Hey, let me put over me a sack, people. And it's here again. Oh, this. What is this? You don't love me, and I know now. It will become like I know with a dragon. Well, it obviously is so till we buy one better piece, guys. You see the marking. Because remember, so originally I over here, so the stove did there. So see the marking for the one before this that I bought. Yeah, it was here. And I had to take it down because they were coming down. And we wash off the wall and we paint up, we put up this. But now see it a weird. It a weird, but so it up it until me get the other piece, people. Big up on yourself, me go bed. Rain, y'all, rain. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna chef up some dumpling and mackerel and sardine mixed together. Yeah, and this is mine because I'm me alone the home, me and Mateo. And this is for Mateo. I was feeding him, but it seemed like him belly full, so him saying no one no more. So me I go eat mine now, and when Aguero and Daddy come, they will have theirs. But yeah, people.
Windy.
People, one more thing me never remember for show you. Earlier when me come tie out price, me have to draw the black from over this and tie price funny because the bush the stick them never there go hold her. And over in the bush where me normally tie our ticks over there, me now go over there. What me take up? I'm bringing it. back. Yeah, let me put it back right where I took it from. I took it right here. Right this time, I put it back. Alright guys, so I finished bed. I cook some dumpling and mackerel and sardine as you can see. And I come for taking price because me and Mateo walk up at daddy shop before it get darker. Yeah, me I go open up him shop for him and go and sit down up there until him come from work. So me I go take in price now, people. So this will be the end of this vlog. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to run over to the House of Love and show us some love. People, look at my view, man. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Yeah, people, but that is it. Big up on yourself. Enough love from the House of Love. I love y'all so much. Big up to you all. Where like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, me can't stop say that. Big up to all of you. Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, prize.
Bye, Price.
Yeah, tell them bye for prize.
Bye, Price.
People might cry because he didn't want me to lift him up. Alright guys, this will be the end of this vlog. Bye y'all.